Hello, chat. How we doing? How we doing today? Let me. Hello. There we go. Readjust the camera a little bit. How am I looking? Oh my gosh, I'm looking like absolute shit. I literally just woke up. Like, I'm not kidding. I still haven't drank any of my coffee. I'm still eating my oatmeal. But welcome to the stream, everyone. Good stuff. Good oatmeal. I like the oatmeal. Let me configure some things. Oh, by the way, if you haven't joined us, join us on our Discord. Link down below in the description. Let me open up my OBS. And then pop out this chat, and then boom, boom, a boom. Look at that. It's chat, everyone. There we go. Stream's back up. Full working order. Boy, oh boy! Check out my Steam library and my Spotify in the meantime. Rate my Steam library, chat. What do we think so far? As I log into my team source control. Oh, hey, it's Luna. Look at that. You fucking furry. Okay, I'm in, chat. Oh, so good. I love my caffeine drugs. Alright. So. We left off yesterday. We left off yesterday. Working on the initiative system. Now if you play the game... God, shut up. Why do I have to compile? Why do I have to keep compiling? Please. Okay. Go. We did a bubble sort. We implemented a simple bubble sort for initiative, and we made the basis for the initiative system, along with these widgets right here. But now, see, the thing is that there are duplicate. Wait, holy shit. If you look at the top left, there's 3 player characters when there's supposed to be just 1. So we need to figure out what the hell is because they actually all rolled the same initiative. So now, if there is, we need to be checking for additional initiative. And then the second thing that we're going to be doing is that we're actually going to be recording the December update. I know I had to get it up out there last week, but plans changed. My plans, timelines changed, and yeah, I was hanging out with my family. I'm not gonna apologize about hanging out with my family. So, yeah. Shit. So what we're gonna be doing is that we're just gonna be playing through and updating the initiative system. Alright. Let's get in. So there's an add unique method. Okay, what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be pulling out a for each loop. A for each loop. Each element, if the array element equals that, while loop random integer and range. Oh yeah, that's right. That's just gonna keep recasting that, and then that's... Okay. Gonna get this over here, and then array element set temp. Oh my gosh, my brain is like, what the hell? You know what I need? I need more coffee. That's what I need. Okay, cool. So, before each loop, we have a random integer. We have a random integer in range of 1 through 20, random value that is added into that. Let's see. Random int array, random integer in range for each loop. Okay. So if get temp int is equal to that, go into a while loop. And then we do random integer in range 20. Once again, we do that. Excuse me. Okay, that feels like that's gonna be an infinite array. I mean, not infinite, a infinite loop. Yep, there it is. Chat, I don't know what the hell am I doing. I seriously do not. This is so simple. Why the fuck am I messing it up? Alright, this pin link, and this is gonna go there. Excuse me. Okay. Get all the actors of this class. I have a temporary, and I iterate through them. And I roll a random integer, and that's the temporary integer, and then I add that temporary integer. Okay. If for every integer for each loop, a for each loop, if the temporary integer if the array element is equal to the temporary integer enter a while loop where which we keep rolling an integer that then sets temporary int and add a simple boolean re-roll initiative. This value, the default value. Need a branch here. If that is true, then go into that. Otherwise, simply just add that and add that, and then we enter that, and we do that, and then equal. Oh my gosh. Oh man, chat, I am tired, but oh well. If the new temp integer is set, and then from there we can. This good question. Good question, me. If it's. Oh no, I want this to be not equal. And when we set this, see if I can get this fucky wuckiness. Nope, that's getting stuck. And then completed, and add. And this new temp in. Oh wait, shit. Oh my gosh. I'm getting stuck once again in infinite while loops. Woo! Woo! What the hell am I doing? Okay, how does Unreal purchase while loops? While reroll initiative is false. Oh wait. As long as the condition is true. So if it is true, let me do that, and if it's no longer equal to it, set reroll initiative as true. As, wait, no. No, that's not right. Oh my gosh, what's the operation here? Oh my gosh, this is simple. This is simple logic, chat. Oh. You. This is so simple, chat. Should it be equal to? Yeah, it should be, because that's just gonna return false. But then that's gonna really fuck up. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck. Oh, I'm getting stuck again. No. If you do like my suffering, please make sure to like and subscribe. It's always appreciated. Oh my gosh. What the fuck, me? This is a mess. This is a literal mess. You know what? You're just gonna go there. I'm gonna break this link and break this link. I'm just gonna compile. And look at that. It looks nice. It looks very nice. Look at that, chat. But no, there's duplicates there. Why the fuck am I not understanding this while loop? I know how while loops work, but why is it not working? Oh my gosh. Programming! Scripting, visual programming, why are you doing this to me today? Why are you not being cooperative with me? Oh no! Vile coffee, I taste you for what you are. Dog shit water. For each loop, branch, while loop, set. Oh my gosh. Okay. Paint. You know what? Let's go to paint. We're doing pseudocode, boys. Actually, no, we're gonna do a text block. Alright. While if rolling initiative if rolling initiative, fuck it, I'm doing Java. If rolling initiative true, then for each num in num initiative array. If rolling initiative for each num initiative array, num int temp int equals to new rand 120. Chat, I'm just working on pseudocode right now. For each num initiative array, int rand 20. If oh wait, no. You know why? You know why it's being fucked up? Because this needs to go right here. And then if temp int equals if temp int equals any of the num start over. Okay, so for each num, if temp int equals num start over, yeah, so I'm overcomplicating this with a while loop. If rolling initiative int temp no, hold on, int temp int equals random in range 1 through 20 for each num in initiative array. If temp int equals random 1 through 20, then we have to branch into set rolling initiative equals true while rolling initiative for each n in int temp int rand init equals rand 1 through 20. If temp int equals rand rand init wait, no, that's not going to work, because see, the thing is, okay, what am I specifically looking for? I need to look through all of the initiative, I need to look through the whole entire initiative array on this. And so while rolling initiative, int random into initiative equals 1 through 20 for the player character. I just need to constantly re-roll and check all the values if there are any. So what's the fail case then? The fail case is if any of the things. Oh wait, if temp int equals initiative array, if temp int equals, oh, that's what I'm fucking going on about. If temp int equals num while temp int equals num, temp int equals rand 1 through 20. Wait, no, that's gonna fail. That's gonna fail because say like I have two separate things and it just runs into them. It's like, what the fuck? That's gonna be fucky wucky with the logic. Okay. I need dice. I need like dice of some kind. All right, fuck it. We're gonna go on to D&D Beyond. Chat, we're going on to D&D Beyond. If you say hello to my characters. Okay, so my characters. Okay, so like I know how they. I need something physical right now. Fuck it. We're gonna go on to this character and we're just gonna roll some dice. Okay, so I have like two dice. I'm gonna roll them. 4 and a 12. Okay, that doesn't matter. Fuck. That's not gonna help. Why did I go to that? Why did I go to that, chat? Okay. Ugh, why am I not grasping this logic? Why is this logic evading me? If I have a duplicate, I can't. See, the thing is that like, oh, Kai, you can add a unique. But see, the thing is like, okay, what if there is a unique? So sorry, let me be. So like, what if I want to add a unique? Add unique. See, it adds a unique item, but I don't understand if the item is already so I can make something. So I can do. Okay, here we go. So this actually does make my life easier. What the fuck? I'm just gonna delete all that code because that's a shit show. If you're enjoying this shit show, please like the stream. Thank you. Okay, so index none equal index none. What is the value for index none? Like I gotta get fucky wucky. Index none UE5 integer. Okay, what is index 5? Index none is equal to -1. Thank you. -1. Thank you very much, good sir. Chat, I hope you are having a wonderful day. What are we up to today? If anything? Alright, add unique, and then we're gonna get temp and put that in there if equal to index none. This triggers. I'm triggered. This then sets re-rolling initiative to be true. So like, okay, now I'm re-rolling my initiative. I need to while loop keep re-rolling ran in range 1 through 20. I'm gonna do a branch. Just to make my life easier. So if that's false. Go into that. Okay, there we go. That's in there. Oh, it feels so good. Good scratch. Good beer scratch. I'm going crazy. All right. Now I need to implement rules for if there's character with the same initiative, make them roll again. For each loop that checks that okay. Random integer. Oh my gosh. So if that's completed, then I need to set reroll initiative to false. Once that's completed, go from there. Okay, so like, okay, so that's like, if it goes through all of that and it's equal. Okay, so I have to get a new integer and then I have to compare that all over again. If that is equal to that, then break. I need a way to just simply exit the loop. And that's just a fail. It just exits the loop. Exit. Ah, here we go. Oh. For each loop with break. No, that's not gonna work. It needs to be broken. I need something that just exits the loop for me. Honestly, for each loop with break, and then set, roll, boom, get fucky wucky with that. Put that in there, and then do that, and then let's see. Yeah, that makes, okay, let me do this. Let's trace this code. Okay, so we get all actions of the class for each loop. We get the length of it, and we iterate through a for loop. Okay, so that's, okay, yep, I see what I'm doing here. I'm setting myself up so that I can add the index to this. Yeah, okay, so then I loop, and I need to set a temporary integer. I then add that temporary integer into the thing. If it doesn't add that, then it returns -1. -1, and I need to branch into that. If it does, if it's equal to -1, it enters that, which then begins rerolling initiative. And while it's rerolling initiative, it keeps pulling in a random integer and sets a temporary integer to that random integer. We then enter this for loop. We enter this for loop, and the loop body keeps on checking. This. If it keeps on checking, and if it finds anything, it breaks and immediately resets. But otherwise, if it's completed, then that means that we found nothing of that, and then that completes the loop, and that turns the condition to be false, because repeatedly as the condition is false, and the default value for that is true. And then from there, yes. There it is. Look at me. Look at me, chat. I'm solving programming issues. Fuck. Look at that. Alright, this is all. Look at this. This is oofles. But it works. Okay, let me break down what exactly just happened and what I was doing. So, what's happening in this initiative? My gosh. Hold on, let me make sure this is absolutely correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But there's 9 characters. There's 8 of them being recognized. Hold on. Huh? Something's not right. Oh, there's just 7 of them. Well, fuck me. You know what's going on? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now it's just returning none. Oh. Oh, man. This is getting very messy. Okay, I've got a lot to track here. Okay, ramp. Okay. Random integer in range, temp set, add unique temp integer. Okay. Why are you none? Why are you none? Why are you none? Do you know why? Because these guys are not getting at it. That's why. Duh. Wow! Who would have thought? Wait, what? Now there's only 7 of them, but there's 8 characters on the battlefield. Don't care. Okay. That's 8. Yeah, okay, so what's going on here? 3 fams. So I gotta change that. It looks like that this works. Does it work? It's a good question. Temporary solution for resolving ties and initiative rolling. Need to implement initiative modifiers to more easily resolve things. This code here should be used to do. This code here should be used to be a last resort in the rules. Rules of Penumbras. Okay. Well, no, the bug is still there. Alright, that... It's somewhat buggy, but it works. It certainly works. Oh, man. Yugi doesn't have any sorting algorithms in Okay. You know what? This works. This works for the time being. Alright. Firefox. FarOwlStudios.com. Damn. Slow as hell response time. Probably because it's throwing a lot of errors. Like, what the hell, dude? Why can't I track you? Okay, cool. Alright, so now we've got that. And let me pull up this, and then chat, we are going to start recording. Start recording. All right. I am setting us up for this stuff for the game blueprints. Character creation, and then we're gonna open up testing level, save that, boom, and then I need to open up concept art. Project Penumbras, open that up. Copy the reference to that. Open this up. And then talk about node 3. And then we have our Kickstarter. And then, cool. All right. Let me review over the script. Usual like and subscribe intros, and October 7th. Here's a list of them. You still need to work on the game directly. Okay, cool. Alright, music is going off, chat. And you guys are about to be part of the December update. So make sure to say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Even though you're on YouTube right now. Okay. Let's begin retooling OBS a little bit. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to duplicate this. And this is going to be update capture. This is going to go. This is going to go. That's going to go. And this is gonna go. I'm gonna make myself a bit bigger. Hello. Some of you guys are looking for that. And then, okay. And then what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be putting in an image. Boom, image, browse. You guys can't quite see it right now. Project Penumbras. And Penumbras. Oh, look at that. It's the logo. Okay. Let's speak. How am I looking, chat? Am I looking good? My hair's a bit of a mess. Oh well. Let's make sure that, like, hi! Alright. Cool. Cool beans. Where is... Oh my gosh, you see all this? I'm gonna close this out and then close that out and then Ethereum Metropolis and then open up Far Out. And boom. Alright, chat. We are going to be recording this alive. Let me just configure my recording settings. Output. Oh. Okay, well, I guess it's just going into that folder. Alright. Cool. Alright, wish me luck. This is going to be the first time. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hello, and welcome to this December's update for, well, Far Owl Studios, Ethereum Metropolis, and our newest project, Penumbras. I am Kailoulou, the founder and the creative director at Far Owl Studios, and let's hop right into it. So, what we have here is Ethereum Metropolis's Kickstarter campaign. If you do not know, we had a Kickstarter campaign back in November, and our Kickstarter campaign managed to raise $6,736 with a goal of $20,000, and unfortunately, we were not able to hit that goal. And during this time, we learned a lot about what we need to do. And one of those things is that, well, maybe Ethereum Metropolis is not exactly the best and most realistic goal that we can hit right now. Along with that, we also had a lot of things that we learned from promoting our game, this world that we've been building over time, and everything like that. And let me just pan right now through all of the lessons. Those were a lot of lessons. Feel free to pause those if you want to. But as for how much we raised of this amount, we managed to draw in a lot of support, including friends, family members, and the wandering Kickstarter supporter. And and while hold on, let me do that again. I fucked that up. Let's try that again, chat. Let me review over my script again. Okay, Kickstarter in October, with the analytics sheet that we had. Let me go into the EM archive, EM admin. Nope. Okay, let's try this again, chat. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hello, everyone. This is being recorded live over on our YouTube channel during our December 19th, development live stream. I am here with my chat right now, and when you are watching this, we are going to be live streaming during the weekdays from 9:30 a.m. EST to 2 p.m. But otherwise, welcome to December's update on Far Isle Studios. Lots been happening over the last couple of months, especially with Ethereum Metropolis to Penumbras. If you do not know, we are transitioning away from Ethereum Metropolis, intense tile-based combat. But why exactly did we change that? Well, first, let's look at our Kickstarter campaign that we had all the way back in October and November. Over the course of the campaign, we managed to bring in 56 contributors, raising a total of $6,736 with a goal of $20,000. We at least made 25% of it. And unfortunately, with this setback of not hitting our funding goal, we managed to learn a lot about who supports us and where it came from. With this Kickstarter CRM, you can see all of the various people, and we collected a lot of information about who exactly is supporting us and how much we are able to earn in about 30 and how fuck. I'm overthinking this. All right, let's try that again. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hello, everyone. This is being recorded live over on our YouTube live stream, our development live streams. Check our social medias for whenever we're live streaming, but it's during the weekdays from 9:30 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you do not know who I am Kailoulou, the founder and lead creative director at Far Isle Studios, and welcome to our December update. Let's get right into the gist of things. So we first had Ethereum Metropolis Kickstarter campaign back in October until November. And as you can see here, we only raised $6,736 of our $20,000 goal. But right now, but we learned a lot from this, including who supports us and from the various demographics, ranging from mentors to family members to the passerby and voice actor friends. And the support was very meaningful for us. But it wasn't enough, and we had lots and lots of flaws when we approached the marketing, the description, the building of the campaign, and that's why we didn't reach our goal. And let me just quickly pan through all of them. Yeah, we learned a lot, but this isn't the end for what we've been building over the last couple of years. We can't quite abandon the world of Servene that we have developed. And so we are now transitioning over towards Penumbras. And Penumbras is our latest game in development. It's still a narrative-driven, tile-based strategy game, but now you play as inquisitorial deer, a part of the Order of Antlers, and you hunt down the recently convicted heretic Callisto. But in her wake, these shadowy eldritch unicorn deer abominations follow her wherever she goes, and you begin to uncover the truth in intense tile-based combat. All the while, you have 3 companions, Doliturn, Milvitatum, and Vagreus, who are all part of your party, and you can learn about their histories, romance them even, and much more. And so this is our newest project that we are working on. And if you want to stay up to date about the latest information about Penumbras, feel free to subscribe to our emailing list over at www.farislestudios.com, or it's linked down below. If you want to see the development of Penumbras live, then feel free to hop on over to our live stream. I'm here with chat right now, and I'm recording this live. So, what exactly have we been working on ever since? So, in the month since then. So let's hop right into our development. So one of the important things about Penumbras and what you can do is that there is a character creator and we've been working on this. So with the character creator, this is what we have right now, is that you're able to choose between your fawnhood, background, crime, class, and those affect your gameplay, and you're able to choose the visual appearance. Right now, it's very bare bones since we just got to work on it and we're still transitioning over from everything. But then you're able to choose the features of your character, the adornments, and the fur of your character, and venture forth. This allows you to create your own player character and let you become part of this world that we have been building for over the last 4 years. Now, it's not just you in this, but rather there are also your companions that I mentioned before. All three of the companions in Penumbras will be romanceable and have their own complicated backstories. For example, this first character, de Letourne, he is a recent Order of Antlers inductee, and he is focused on the psionics, the sort of magic system of Penumbras, but he also has a very flawed backstory, and he finds himself in a transitioning period of his life as he gets himself settled within the Order of Antlers. As for, let me pull up the right photo here. As for the other characters, we also have Milvatatum. Milvatatum has been part of the Order of Antlers for a very long time, and that is the only thing that he has known. During the gameplay, he specializes a lot in melee combat, dealing guaranteed damage towards enemies and breaking their front lines. And so, as you can romance him, you can help broaden his perspective and so forth. And then, as for the third character, Vergreus is a very saintly person. She is known for her healing and coming to the aid of everyone that she can. And as you romance her, if you choose to, or develop your friendship with her, you'll begin to realize that saintly image has a reason to be. I'm not exactly going to be spoiling it, but she will aid you on the battlefield with a whole variety of abilities that support you and your allies. And as for you, the player character, you will have access to all of their abilities, but you'll have limited slots unlike them. But that's not guaranteed right now. And so, if we hop right back into the game and we just simply venture forth, you can also see a whole variety of changes from our previous itch.io build that we released back in September. Melee weapons are now guaranteed to hit, but now have variable damage. So we've also been buffing and changing the gameplay flow to have your decisions have slightly less impact, but also at the same time making your decisions be more meaningful. So with guaranteed melee hits, your enemies also have guaranteed melee hits against you, while ranged weapons deal more damage and have less variance in them. They have the chance to miss. We're also working on an initiative system. We're doing more balancing changes. We're working on levels, plotting them out, and a whole lot more in the works. But you can see all of this live over at our YouTube channel live streams. Like I said, which are happen on during the weekdays from 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, a lot. Thank you all very much for tuning on in and watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And otherwise, thank you all once again, and see you all next month. Okay. Good. It's done. It's out there. It is out there. All right. We got it, boys. Streams. Who are the other people that streams? It's me. We stream a lot. Every day. Just about every day. Oh, by the way, next week, the schedule for next week is still up in the air, but I'm definitely not gonna be live streaming until Thursday, because it be Christmas season. And I want to spend time with my family. Ugh. Okay, so that is recorded. I may re-record that. We'll see. But I'm just glad to have gotten it out of the way. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You fail, you keep trying, and yeah. We'll keep on doing stuff. Okay, so that's where we left off. We were working on the initiative on the BP Battle game mode in this clusterfuck. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be re-recording that to have various snippets and stitch them all together. Get that out before Friday this week. Excuse me. Yeah, that could have been better. But why could have it been better? I didn't feel confident. It probably didn't come off, and I need to be confident. I've listened to this song so much. All right. Oh, I listened to this so much. This playlist. Okay. Honestly, I think I've done all that I can right now for the initiative system because I know how the initiative works. And like I have the framework for it. But now, I don't know what else. Whatchamacallit? I don't know what else I can, my gosh, I am not arriving to what I want to say. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. I am zoning out so bad. Ah! Okay, I'm back. Hi, chat. I am alive. I'm alive. If you don't like... If you like to see me struggle with programming and making things happen, make sure to hit that like button on the live stream. If you are new here, what I've been working on is initiative system and initiative logic. But now I've hit a point where I can no longer work on something. So we're gonna submit content. Added first pass to initiative system with logic in BP battle game mode. Submit. Okay. So there it goes. Brrm. Change 808. Now let's figure out. I don't know what else I can do. Like you know what I can start working on? I can start working on this. Opportunity attacks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, Chad. Nature is calling. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'm sorry, chat. Here, B. Sudden bathroom! gosh, I'm sorry, chat. Oh my gosh. Whew. That was very sudden. Ah, thank you for sticking around. If you did. Okay. We are working on today. Furthermore, we are working on first things first is that we gotta go into the drive. We gotta add to the bibble. Right now, this is the gameplay Bible, or the Bible, which just dictates the gameplay logic, and it's the rules book, essentially. If the character leaves his zone of control, then if the character leaves the zone of control, then the zone controller makes it up. Locked in melee combat, ranged weapon abilities are disabled. Ranged weapons and ranged abilities are disabled and can no longer until the opponent exit the zone of control. If they wish to leave the zone of control without an enemy engaging, they can use the disengage ability to not proc any opportunity attacks against a target, against an enemy, against them. And then put this in, opportunity attacks, change log. Today is the 19th, 12/19, 2023. Added first pass for change log. All right, cool. I know, very riveting shit. Very riveting, but I just needed to knock it out of the way. Main check. All right, let's check out this. The main check is in the code and EM battle game mode on the function on move, and the one I believe is called try enemy act, the one that controls the AI. When a player moves function on move, the game checks all of the character's opponents, checks which one are within 2 tiles, including 2 diagonal before the character moves and leaving the range after movement initially. Each enemy that fulfills this gets the function attempt opportunity attack and EM character, which then goes to every ability to raise the opportunity attack. From EM character, the function opportunity attack is called. It is coded in EM ability. You can find the code by searching attempt opportunity attack in EM battle game mode, the same one in EM character. Not 100% sure which between CPP or the other, the opportunity attack and EM ability. What I did that mainly got it working was going into the node of the weapon that I wanted to react and calling the function node opportunity attack, then connecting it to the nodes that will handle the attack itself. For example, halberd, for example. There are 2 things that were the next step. Testing that the opportunity attacks targets the moving character. Attempt opportunity attack passes the moving character as a parameter. Now it needs to work in the node if I recall correctly. Okay. Well, let's get into the maps and then into animation testing. Gonna end the turn.
That one? Almost.
Okay, well, I guess that didn't work. Let me see about converted. Excuse me. Alright, well that's not working. Great. Let's begin opening up. Let's open up our Visual Studio Code. Woohoo! Let's begin. Oh my gosh. Okay. Try enemies act. A enemy action. B can act. Enemy I control get action. Game did it. Be acted if return false. Else if action dot type enemy action dot move. Float. Corners. Get nearby opponent. AEM character. I am great actor. Okay, let's see. The main check is in the code and BM battle game mode on the function on move. And the one I believe is called try enemy act. What? Moves. The game checks all of the character's opponents. Checks which ones are within 2 miles, including 2 diagonal before the character moves, and leaving the range after movement initially. Each enemy that fulfills this gets the function attempt opportunity call. It's called an EM ability. You can find the code by searching attempt opportunity attack and EM battle game mode, the same one in EM character. An opportunity attack and EM ability. What I did that mainly got it working was going into the node of the weapon I wanted to react and calling the function node opportunity attack, then connecting it to the nodes that handle the attack itself. There it is. B can move. Player can command and selected character, selected target, command in progress, can move to game data, get enemies that create iterator, float final dist, F vector, float initial distance, grid distance, selected character, point. I have no idea what the fuck am I doing. Yeah, I genuinely do not know what the hell. Bruh, what the hell, bruh? The opportunity attacks are not proccing. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what is going on. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't have an idea about what I am doing, so what I'm going to be doing instead is that I'm gonna first try to figure out this OBS issue. Duplicate. Okay, cool. I should be able to see where I'm doing, what I'm doing. Yeah. Cool. I can work on levels. I'm gonna delete those first. I'm no longer using those. Oh man, man. Why are you taking so long to delete? I love development, guys. It's so much fun. Waiting for static meshes to be ready. What the? Oh, shut up. Shorts. Shut up, shorts. Dun, 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 Alright, well, we can't find the fucking... Oh, great. It just crashed. It silent crashed on me. Isn't that wonderful, kiddos? I love it when Unreal Engine silently crashes on me. It's so much fun. Smile. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, that sucks. Oh my gosh, this is a stream ending crash. Oh, this is very much a stream ending crash because I can't do any... This is straight up a stream ending crash. I can't do any more work, and I know usual development stuff isn't fun. Oh, there it is. Deleting assets. There we go. For some reason, unloading. Why is it on my second monitor? Why are you on my second monitor deleting assets? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is that we're going to make a new blueprint, actually. And what we're going to do is that one of the important things encounter start BP. do is that we're going to add a component and we're going to add a sphere. Just designate, hey, it's in the level. There it goes. EM grid. Let's see if I can hack. Leaking the patch. Let's do that. This blueprint actor TP to location. Sphere. Okay, chat. What I'm trying to do right now is that I am Okay. And then from here... BP... That's not. Hey! There we go. Where is world origin? can't see this. Hold on, wait a minute. Spin. Uh-oh. You should probably take that down. There they go, they teleported. Wow, they're teleporting. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Chat, things are a bit slow today, so I don't know, I've worked all that I can on this stuff. I need further documentation, so I am gonna cut it early today. Thank you all very much for coming on by, and I hope to see you all soon. Toodles.